New Zealand USD, now we are based on daily chart. Alright, now based on daily chart, as we can see the way the market is moving. Now the question is whether this one can continue and move higher similar to what we have here, and whether after that, I mean beside that, whether this move will continue move higher or we shall expect the down move. Okay, now the thing is how we can trade it. Okay, and if you wanna analyze the chart, the first question is whether we put this one, I mean our trend line similar to what we have right now. In that case, that means it's still we are within this channel, and what we can expect the price to drop. Okay, the only based on this channel, the only times we can look for buy if the price sharply break this trend line, give a correction, then from there we can look for buy. But as long as it's moving similar to what we have here, we will consider is within this trend lines, and we can expect for the down move. That means the down move can give us a better trade setup. And the buy, as I say, we want sharply break. That means we want sharp break correction. Then from there we look for buy. The another option is that how about if we have this one? This is the only channel we have it. We had it, and now this is the start of the up move. And how high it can go, we are not sure. Okay, anyway, now the question is how we can trade it. From here we can expect the continuation for the up move, or shall we expect the down move? Sell. In this case we move to lower time frame, forward chart. We see how we can trade it. As we can see, based on forward chart, the way the market is moving I mean is up move, but the way it's moving is not sharp in terms of the corrective. I don't think based on what we have right now we can trade, I mean we can get the proper trade setup, better for buy or sell. Okay, first of all we want to see how we can look for buy, whether we can expect this week we have this correction, from this correction can look for one move up. How high it can go, we are not sure. Or if we want to look for sell, can we expect the price to break this trend line? Yes, if the price sharply break this trend line, give a correction, we can look for sell. And what we want, the price come to this level. This is based on forward chart how we can trade for sell. We want the price to break, give a correction, we look for sell. And if we want to look for buy, we need to look into this correction. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup. How about the 1 hour chart? Alright, as we just now explained, based on forward chart, if you want to look for buy, we need to look into this correction. What we can expect if the price move a bit higher, we have this correction in relative to this. If finish for one move down, then we get this correction in relative to this for one move up. That means we buy. If you want to buy, let's the price drop, break the I don't want to say break this low, come somewhere near to this low, then from there we look for buy. But any buy we take it, we consider as a short-term buy. As long as the price come to this level, we need to start to manage it. It depends where we get the buy. Okay, and how about the sell within this correction? If the price come to this level, any sell we get, as long as the price come to this level, we need to start to manage, because just now we talk about the buy. If there is a continuation, we keep. That means we won't get the buy. But if we see the price come to this level, we had the sell, then we see there is not moving, then we take out the trade, then we look for buy. But for the sell, based on lower time frame. Okay, anyway, first of all, what we want to see how we can look into this correction. As I say, if we want to look for buy, let the price drop, then we look for buy, and based on within this correction, if we can get sell, also we can trade it. But any trade for buy or sell will be short-term trade. Okay, and for sell, one more things, because if we move to forward chart, we said if we put our trend line here, okay, in this case if I move to lower time frame, alright, if we want to look for sell, if the price sharply come to this and break the trend line, if we give a correction, maybe we can look for sell one until the price come to this level. But at that time we need to look into this how we can get the trade, the correction. Okay, that's why we mentioned right now, I mean based on 1 hour chart, if the price come here, any sell we get from there, we take it. And as long as the price come to this trend line, if we see there is a continuation, we keep, because at that times we keep the trade, then the price come to this trend line, we see if the price break the trend line, again we keep. If not, then we take out the trade, because if we get any sell within this range, maybe this sell give us a down move to break this trend line. That's why we explain we can sell within this range. Alright, this is the reason. But if we say, if the price we get the sell, the price come to this low, if I remove everything, if we get the sell from here, the price come to this low, it's not moving, we take out the trade, then from there we look for buy. Anyway, we don't have any trade set up for this pair. The only thing is we just follow the chart. Any trade set up, whether for buy or sell, we consider as short-term trade. That means as long as we get into the profit, we start to manage it. From there, we need to see if there is a continuation, we keep. If not, we take out the trade. Anyway, we don't have any trade set up right now, and we just follow the chart and see how we can trade it. Thanks.